Today's recipe is spaghetti squash pad thai. Our first ingredient that we're using today is spaghetti squash to replace a normal noodle base. This is giving us a low-calorie, high-fiber replacement that is rich in nutrition and ingredients that give us a gluten-free base. We're adding coconut aminos to our pan in place of soy sauce and tamari, a replacement for a gluten-free option and a soy-free option. For those of you looking for a traditional sauce, sunflower seed butter is a great alternative. Not only is it nut-free, but it doesn't contain any added sugars. Using this as your pad thai sauce is a great alternative. This spaghetti squash pad thai gives me that comfort food feel that I'm looking for when I go pick up a restaurant option for a late night. I hope you enjoy.